guess what? It's ChatGPT, of course. That's a no-brainer. I use it every day. I use it to create emails, to draft a concept, to create an article. And I don't always take all the content that it gives me, but it's always a good piece for inspiration, a good way to start. I really don't like the blank canvas, really dislike that, and ChatGPT always gives me a great foundation, and then I change 70% of what it gives me, but yeah, it helps me a lot to be more efficient.
Actually, as a content creator that works also in different languages, it's the translation tools that you can use, like DeepL or others, that really, from my perspective, really learned a lot in the last years. So when I remember the first days of these translation tools, it was like, okay, this sounds like somebody picked a word and tried to use it as a sentence, and nowadays I really think that this is helpful for especially people that are not native speakers in some language, but that speak them fluently, but that are not sure that everything is a perfect match.